Welcome to a video all about a yellow dot. Let's go to Cornwall Kawasaki on the way home and book a test ride on that ZH2. It's going to be a crap video, but we need the content and there might be some interesting facts, so stay tuned. Ta-da! On the black S1000R. Jesus. Well, this isn't going to plan. Might just have to do this experiment and come back. That vibration is bloody bad, boy. Did you see the screen bouncing? Baz got his tyres changed on the 14th, Bridgestone RS11s. I don't know whether people know this, but a lot of tyre companies don't even know this, but the yellow dots on the tyre is supposed to go in line with where the valve is. When they've put tyres on this bike, they've obviously not lined it up, and they put weights on the carbon wheels. So what we think this vibration has got a lot worse since the tyres have been changed is down to them just not lining that up and putting weights on the wheels. So my plan today was to bring it back to BMW and get them to realign the tyres, but in this weather I don't think it's going to happen. It was dry a minute ago. Oh, should I chance it? I suppose I'm wet now anyway, aren't I? Oh nah, this is not stopping. Just get in there behind the tractor, you mong. You can see there's a tractor for about a mile and then you get behind it. Oh, it's not that bad here. Still wet though, and it's in rain mode. Has to be in rain mode in the rain. Oh, it's just a drizzle here. It's that fine rain. Soaks you through, doesn't it? Not bad. No, I'm not into this. This is not the weather to be riding this bike. And if anyone's wondering where Mark is, or Baz, he's in Birmingham picking up his track bike in the dry. That's why I'm doing this. I didn't volunteer to do it in the rain though. Oh, whoomp. Anyway, back onto the tyre thing, the yellow dot on the tyres. Since I've known about the yellow dot, probably 5-6 years, no tyres that I've ever had fitted have had the yellow dot on the valve. But this bike, when it was new, had the yellow dot on the valve. I'll put a picture to show what I mean. People might be saying what you want about a yellow dot, but anyway, you'll see in the picture. I'm over halfway now, so I'm committed. I'm doing it. Check those lean angles out. 18 both sides. Respect the 18 degrees. Oh, I swore on the Holy Mary and Joseph that I wouldn't go out in the rain again. Here we are, back at BMW. Get a nice hot chocolate. There's a black one, Mark. Maybe you should have that. In fact, I bet that's the bike to give me to go home with now. Proper bike, that S1000R. Proper bike in us. Let's get that sticker off. Don't know how that got on there. Anyway, it's dry. Well, it's not dry, but it's not raining. Right, let's go and see what they say. BRB. You see, all the bikes that are in the showroom that have come from the factory have all got the yellow dot where the valve is. There. That one there. Oh, the red dot. There. Well, it turns out I'm on the black S1000R. It's mint, this bike. It's well better than that M. BMW have been very helpful. Not only did he save me from falling down those metal steps there, just nearly fell on my arse. They've took the bike in. They said that the yellow dot should be where the valve is, and I checked all the other bikes that were in the showroom and the yellow dot is at the valve. So when they come from the factory, they're all in the right place. So they said they'll give me a call later on today to go and pick it up, if the weather's okay, that is. I'm not riding there in the rain again. I am shit scared of the wet. Oh, it's raining again. It was dry just where I left. Oh, you look at that. I've took this bike, it's only got a 50-mile range on it. Will that be enough to get me there and back? I hope so. Oh crap, it's worse than before. Although this is going to be a short video, I've just thought of a mint name for it. It's going to be called the Yellow Dot. I like it. This rain better pack it in. Oh bump, oh bump, oh bump. Come on. Baz, I hope you're nice and dry in that new van. I could do a black S1000R review. This bike, this black S1000R, is exactly like mine but black. Oh, it's absolutely pissing down. I'm pulling up. I can't be doing with this. Baz, you'll have to pick me up in that van, even if you're here at 6 tonight. I'm just going to wait under a tree. A little tip for people that ride in the rain as well, and I'm sure you already know, but when your visor's full of rain, rather than wipe it with your hand like that, if you're going fast enough, you can just turn your head to the side and it all goes away. Tip of the day. I'm not into getting my levers soaked like this. I wonder if the GoPro's waterproof still with the media mod on. Bet it's not. Oh, we'll find out soon. Yeah, I'm pulling up. Have you seen the state of this? I've just stopped for like 40 minutes, maybe longer, under a tree. The weather app said the rain was going to stop in 10 minutes. It's not stopped. This is a joke. What are you braking for? I bet the lens has just been covered in rain, hasn't it? You're not being able to see anything when I've been talking. Don't be pulling out on me, boy. I do not like roundabouts in the wet. Fair play to people that ride all year round in all kinds of weather. It's just not for me. I suppose I'm complaining a lot in this video, but it needs to be done. It's nearly August. Oh, we've had shit weather for the last, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. Anyway, it's footage, and then we need footage. May as well say thank you to Yegsy and Matthew, channel members. Thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. Oh, what's that flapping on the side of my helmet there? I feel a bit safer on this bike as well, rather than the M1000. I think it might be because this one's got Bridgestone S22 tyres on, which I prefer because I'm such an expert. Oh bump, oh bump. What are you doing? What's going on there? 16 mile an hour, it's 60 this road. Knob. 16 mile, well, doing 30 now, that's not too bad. He's still a knob. Call Nick.
Calling Nick, period.
I forgot that I called you that, Nick. Thank you, you knob. Alright, knobhead. Well, final thought today is going to be, don't go out in the rain or when it's wet, unless you have to. And also, sorry for a short crap video. Next time, Baz will be back. Oh, may as well tell a quick joke. A guy walks into a shop with an apple on his head. The woman behind the counter says, "Excuse me sir, you've got an orange on your head." He says, "It ain't a peach, it's a melon." Here we go. House progress. Steel. Base is in. Anyway, let's go. It's not quite the end. It's the next day and we're going back to get the M, and we don't think they've done the yellow dot. We'll have to see when we get there. We think they've just put weights on the tyres, on the wheels. Also, I can't remember, so if anyone's got an M bike now that's not changed the tyres, or with the carbon wheels, did the carbon wheels have weights on the wheels? Because I don't think that Baz's bike had weights on, and I think one of the solutions that they've done here now is they've put extra weights on the front. I've looked through a few pictures and I can't see any weights on front or back, so from factory it should have no weights on, I'm guessing. Anyway, we'll see when we get there. Oh, I think I better get some petrols. 27 miles, oh bump. £7, that'll do us. Oh, my gloves are still wet from yesterday. That's a bit shit. I've got my old levers on that I came off on track with. Don't know whether that's going to show, but I'm not getting those other levers dirty again. 72 mile, that'll do us. It's more than I had in it when I got it yesterday. Well, we're back. Let's see what they say. At least it's dry, or dry-ish. There it is. But I don't remember them being weights on the wheels like that. And I don't remember the rear having weights there and on the other side. Look at the state of that bike from yesterday. See where my arse was on the seat? It's bloody manky. Anyway, back on this now. What they've said is, about that yellow dot, that doesn't need to be where the valve is because all tyres are different. They reckon one of the weights off the front wheel fell off, and that was causing the extra vibration, like it didn't have enough vibration already. So they put it on the machine and they balanced it supposedly, so we'll see. But I was pretty certain that it didn't have any weights on when he got it, and that yellow dot should be where the valve is. It's where the valve is on all the other bikes, but you know, I don't know as good as they know. So it seems like those yellow dots mean nothing, although I'm certain I've seen that they need to be where the valve is. I'm sure I have. Anyway, let's go to Cornwall Kawasaki on the way home and book a test ride on that ZH2, see what that's all about. May as well book it in this crappy weather, save riding my bike. And this crappy weather, it's not down to climate change. You know what it's down to? It's down to those protesters. It's all down to them. I don't know how, but I'm pretty sure that because of them we've got shit weather. Give the lens a bit of a wipe so you can see what's happening. Nothing's happening. I can't stop thinking about that yellow dot. What I'll have to do is I'll have to do some research. Whether I'm right or wrong, I'll put the information there, but I'm pretty sure that the yellow dot has to be where the valve is. For him not to have weights on the wheels when he first got the bike, then he must have had the perfect tyres, and now he's not got the perfect tyres maybe, although they're the same tyre. I just can't get my head around it. We're at Cornwall Kawasaki. I don't know what I'm going to tell him why I want to test ride the bike. I might just be honest and say I want to do it for a video, and he might F me off. Well, either way, I'm going to ask. They were very helpful. They said, yep, the test ride's available any dry day. So, hopefully Saturday. I don't know if anyone that watches has got a ZH2, but I just want to feel the power delivery of it, supposedly instant. Where I don't know how it can get more instant than this. Well, obviously it can get more instant than this, but this is quite good. And what I hear, the sound of the supercharger. So, we'll see. Oh, that's a nice van. Yeah, that was a nice van. That was a nice gate. Baz got his race bike last night. Not his race, but well, it's a race bike, track bike. So I'll do a little walk around video, and I'll put that here now in the video. Enjoy. It's bloody mint. The sound of that exhaust, I'm pretty sure, will not come out very well on camera, on video, but while you're there next to it, it sounds unbelievable. Shooting flames out, because everyone needs flames. Baz, I know you're going to watch this video, and I'll tell you in a minute when I see you, but they fixed it. It doesn't vibrate anymore at 72 miles an hour. I'll show you now. Oh, that's not the police. Can't see because of the vibration. Just looks like a halo. Obviously it's not fixed that problem. The mirror problem's still there. That was clever, wasn't it, Knobhead? It's going fast now, isn't it? To prove that he didn't slow me down. Look at this traffic, boy! What's going on here? Oh, I'm not going to get through there. Oh, look at him doing a U-turn there. Shouldn't do a U-turn there. A biker actually died right here because of that a few years ago. Oh, another one doing a U-turn. Look, and another one. Oh, that is naughty. I'm going to do a U-turn. No, I'm not. I might actually go and have a look what's going on, because I've only got 24-mile range. I haven't got enough petrol to be sat in traffic for hours. Well, I know we could turn the engine off. It's not moving at all. Oh. Oh. That's why I didn't go through there, mate. Did you see that? Hope that's shown on camera. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Oh, ambulances. This is not a good sign. There possibly could have been ambulance and fire, is that? Oh no, 3 ambulances. 3 ambulances. Ambulance. It's a bit pushing on my cheek, this. Ambulance. There you go. Don't pull out. Alright. My next job. I think final thought today will be, it's just got to be something about that yellow dot. I can't figure out what the yellow dot's for if it's not to be put in a specific place. I know some tyres have red dots, but anyway, we'll have the facts that we would have seen earlier, so I'm either right or I'm wrong, and that's it. And thanks for watching, and I'll say again, it's going to be rubbish, this video, but we need the content. We need something to release on Friday. Today. We'll see you next time with Baz. Ta-da! See you soon.